Coccidiosis is a very common disease and costly in poultry farming. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the symptoms and signs of coccidiosis in your birds. We are going to explore how charcoal can help us to treat and prevent coccidiosis. Let's get started. Let's first look at the signs of coccidiosis in poultry. Sign number one are the pearl comb. The comb of your birds may appear pearl. This is a sign of coccidiosis in your birds. So wherever you experience this sign, when your birds are having the pearl comb, that is a first sign of coccidiosis. Another sign are the bloody droppings. Droppings may contain blood, water, or mucus. Sign number 3 is weight loss. When your birds are losing weight, that is another sign of coccidiosis. And remember, coccidiosis is caused by parasites in the gut wall. And most of the poultry farmers, they give leaves to the birds, and they also give them the banana peelings, which may cause coccidiosis, or which may cause these parasites to affect the gut wall. So when you experience such signs, remember or take note that your birds are experiencing coccidiosis. So before giving your birds these pills, make sure you first wash them and add little salt so that most of the parasites are killed. Another sign for coccidiosis is decreased appetite. Wherever your birds lose appetite, that is a sign of coccidiosis. We have decreased egg production, we have dehydration. When your birds are become dehydrated, that is another sign of coccidiosis. So wherever you experience such signs in your birds, take a serious note that your bird may be affected or may be experiencing coccidiosis. And let's see how charcoal is very crucial. This is like charcoal dust from charcoal. We call it oil saliente. So this is how we are going to see the usefulness of charcoal in treating coccidiosis. Let's first look at how charcoal is beneficial to our birds. Benefit number 1, it improves digestion. Charcoal can be helpful in digestion by flushing out toxins, reducing acidity, and maintaining healthy microflora. It can also help with nutrient absorption by reducing the surface tension of nutrients. Remember, also human beings consume charcoal tablets. They consume charcoal in different ways. So the same applies to our birds. Toxins can be reduced while using charcoal and also reducing acidity. Benefit number 2, charcoal reduces ammonia in manure, which can be beneficial for birds with deep litter. Reduced ammonia also creates better quality fertilizer for gardens. Benefit number 3 is pest control. Charcoal can help to deter lice and bugs when added to composite heaps and soil. Remember, we also add charcoal dust in our soil while we are going to prepare our garden, our container gardens, sack gardens. Charcoal is very useful because it eases digestion. And at the same time, charcoal retains water in our garden so that when it's too hot, it releases water to the plant. So charcoal is also crucial to our birds. After removing the big particles from charcoal, we leave the rest and then we can give them to our birds to prevent coccidiosis, diarrhea, weight loss, bladder droppings, decreased appetite, decreased egg production. They can all be worked upon while using charcoal. And there are two options of how to use charcoal in poultry farming. You can give directly charcoal to your birds, or you can put them in water. So either way, you can prevent and treat coccidiosis. At the same time, charcoal reduces smell in your birds. You can spray around in your birds, and then when these birds mix charcoal dust with coffee husks, you'll not experience any bad smell in your birds. So farmers, if you're there and experiencing one of the above mentioned signs of coccidiosis in your birds, kindly take note and give charcoal to your birds. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the end. My returning viewers, I thank you so much. If you're still new on this channel, kindly consider subscribe, share, like, and drop something into the comment section. So if you're a poultry farmer, kindly consider to use charcoal in your birds. You're going to prevent and treat coccidiosis, diarrhea, and very many other diseases. A lot more is still coming. See you another time. Bye bye.